Welcome to LaTricia Creates. I am LaTricia. In today's video, we are going to create a rhinestone t-shirt using the Cricut Joy. Let's take a look at the materials for this project. For this project, I'm going to use some hotfix rhinestones. These are black gold metalite rhinestones I got from thebabysbooty.store. I'm going to use some rhinestone flock, hotfix rhinestone tape, a rhinestone brush, rhinestone picker tool, a scraper to pick up the excess rhinestones, my Cricut brayer tool, the green standard grip Cricut Joy mat in 4.5 by 12, my Cricut Joy, a heat source, a t-shirt, and a design. You ready? Let's make it! The first thing we're going to do is head over to Cricut Design Space to grab our design. I'm in Cricut Design Space, ready to start my project. I'm going to go to the top right, click on New Project. That's going to take us to the canvas. From the canvas, I'm going to go to the bottom left, click on Upload. Upload image. I'm going to drag from my desktop. I'm going to go to the bottom right, click on Upload. From here, I'm going to select the image, go to the bottom right, click Add to Canvas. The design has come in the correct size, so now it's ready to go. I created this design in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Now I'm ready to make it. I'm going to go to the top right, click on Make It. Click on Mat. Click Confirm. I'm going to take a look at it. I'm going to move it over just a tad. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to click Continue. From here, I'm going to click on Browse All Materials. I'm going to select corrugated cardboard. Then I'm going to select Done. I chose corrugated cardboard for no reason in particular. It was just a random material that I don't use on my Cricut Joy. Since there is no rhinestone setting in Cricut Design Space, I went into the material settings, changed the cut pressure to 330 with multi-cut turned off. I'm back at the craft table, ready to get my mat loaded into the machine. I already have the blade loaded in the machine. Now I'm going to put the flock onto the mat. I am keeping the backing on the flock. Now I'm ready to load the mat into the machine. The mat is loaded. Now I'm ready to press go. It's all done cutting. Now I'm going to unload the mat. It looks like it raised up some on here because my mat is not very sticky, so hopefully all of the flock dots cut out well and it will be easy to remove. I just want to braid it down to get the dots to stick to the backing. Most of the dots are not sticking to the backing. They're all cut all the way through. It even cut almost through here. looks like I'm going to end up having to hand pick off the excess dots. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be back. I got all of the dots off, and what I noticed is the S did not cut. It cut really weird. It's kind of like it just sliced through some of them. So what I'm going to do is recut the S. This time I'm going to cut it with the backing off, and I'm going to use medium cardstock settings. It pays to save scraps. Alright, it's all done. Now I'm going to unload the mat. It looks like it cut, but then again, I don't know. Let's hope for the best. Yes, yes, it did. Hooray! Okay, it's going to force me to pick these few out by hand. Let me do that. Clean this up, then I'll be back. I got everything all cleaned up. Now I'm ready to brush in my rhinestones. I'm going to sprinkle more rhinestones than I need to. That way, when there's more rhinestones, that means there's a better chance of getting all of the rhinestones in the holes without having to use the pickup tool. All the stones have fallen into place beautifully. Now I'm going to clean up the excess. I'm going to do another check to make sure there are no extra rhinestones. Oh, Lord. There's one right there. I was going to do an extra check to make sure there were no extra rhinestones on the design. But as you see, when I touched it, I took the rhinestones out of place. That looks good. Now I'm going to put the hotfix transfer tape on. Make sure no stones are left behind. I'll meet you at the heat press. We're at the heat press, ready to press the design onto the shirt. We're going to press it at 350 degrees for 12 seconds using medium pressure. It's all done. Now it's time to peel the transfer tape off and see what it looks like. Look at that. That is beautiful. Black and gold, baby. Here's a closer look at the final project. Look at how amazing this shirt looks. These black and gold metalite rhinestones, they are so pretty. I just adore this shirt, and I am so glad I made it. And I want you to know that yes, you can make a rhinestone shirt using your Cricut Joy. I hope you are able to make one as well, and I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.